What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to Fix It Garage. Today, we're swapping an engine on a Honda Pilot. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about what's going on. So we didn't actually film it here on site at the Fix It Garage. We actually filmed it at my work where we had access to a real lift instead of just my quick jacks. We needed to get the car up high enough we could drop the engine out from underneath. We also used a table. I'll kind of cut in during the video and explain a few things as we're going on, but mostly it's going to be a time-lapse montage, but I will be cutting in to talk about it. So without further ado, let's get to the shop, let's get this engine out and get it changed. Alright guys, I'm going to interrupt today's video real quick to talk to you about our subscriber special that's coming up. I will be doing a Q&A video for you guys. So, what that means for you guys is you need to submit your questions between now and the end of November. Submit them in the comment section below of this video, or you can check out the Instagram link down below. Send me a DM with your question. I'll be sure to answer every question. I'll make sure to shout out your name and your question, and I'll answer it as best as I can. Be sure to get those questions submitted. Remember, last week of November is when all the questions are due, and the video will come out the following week. Thank you everybody that has supported my channel so far, whether you're subscribed or not. If you've watched my videos, thank you. I greatly appreciate it. Let's keep this channel growing. Let's keep getting bigger. I've got a lot of cool things planned, and I cannot wait to show all of you. Now, back to your regularly scheduled video.
What's up guys, just cutting in here real quick to kind of let you know what's going on. So right here we were trying to get everything off so we could lower the subframe, engine, and transmission all out at once. We have a special table that we can use at work to basically pull it out really fast, and it makes it super easy. So that's what kind of was going on right here. Let's get right back into it. Alrighty guys, so you just saw us get that engine out. That didn't take us very long. That was maybe hour and 10 minutes. So next thing we have to do is we got to get the engine separated from the transmission, which usually involves a little bit more work. You got to pull all the accessories off, as you're about to see right now, and you have to lift everything up to set the transmission on a wood block to get it at a nice angle so you can slide the engine out. Then we can hook up our cherry picker to the engine and pluck the engine off the transmission so we can swap it with the fresh engine that's sitting on that pallet jack that you can kind of see in some of the clips of this video. So now I'm going to let you guys get back to enjoying the time lapse. Alright guys, so we got the engine bolted back up to the transmission, and it takes a little bit of maneuvering, but I'll tell you, when you have two people, it makes it so much easier and it goes so much faster. So now that we got it bolted back up, we can put all of those accessories back on that we took off, like the catalytic converters, the axles, everything, so we can put this thing back in the car, which you guys are about to see happen here very shortly. Alrighty guys, so I am currently in the process of editing this video, and it is getting to be a very long video in editing, so I'm actually going to make this a two-part video. So as you guys are watching us finish getting the engine ready to put back into the car, I want to thank all of you guys for watching. Remember, if you enjoyed what you're seeing, remember to smash that like button so the YouTube algorithm will allow other people to see this video. Also, if you want to see part 2 or anything else, remember to click that subscribe button and check out all my other videos, especially my Subaru build. I've got more similar stuff coming to that very soon. But until next time, guys, remember that on cars like this, never stop wrenching. Peace out.